Hey there, this is an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. This is the cooling fan, or humidifier fan, depending on what you're looking to use it for. You got a couple different options. You can just use it as a cooling fan, or you can put water in it and give yourself some humidity in the air. As with all my purchases, I bought this with my own money. I like doing these videos in case there's somebody out there who's thinking about buying the same item and wants to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in. So let's go ahead and open it up, see what we got. Thank you card and warranty card. There's the fan. We'll take a look at that here in a second. So a charging cord, this is a rechargeable fan. You can use it plugged in or cordless. It comes with a Type-C charging cable. So you've got USB on this end, Type-C on this end, and it's a flat cable. What's great with the flat cables is you can run them easily through window sills or doors, anything like that, because it's not rounded. So anyway, charging cord, little instruction pamphlet. And then the fan itself. Nice and lightweight. Got some rubber feet on the bottom so it doesn't slide. Not sure if you're going to be able to see what's written on the back here. So you've basically got a fan button here, and then you've got a spray button here if you're wanting to do a moisture spray. Top, you've got a little rubber cover. This is where you would add water. Now I just opened it, it hasn't been charged. Let's see if it'll turn on. And you'll notice I'm at 70% battery life. So it's nice that it's got a little indicator on there. And then you've got different levels of your fan. That's 1, 2, 3, and then off. And then again, you've got a spray button, but since I don't have any water in it, I'm not going to show you that. Anyway, as always, I hope the video helps. That's a quick unboxing. Thanks for watching.